Industrial manufacturing equipment connectors need to perform efficiently in today's and tomorrow's complex manufacturing equipment to deliver reliable power over Ethernet and high-speed data transmission throughout their diverse and harsh industrial environments. Harting IX Industrial connectors for industrial manufacturing equipment introduce a compact and high-performance design that is standardized for a reliable and space-saving connection alternative to RJ45 in a 70% size reduction. These connectors are pre-assembled in a wide range of cable assemblies and configurations and are designed with a secure locking mechanism for easy and reliable installation that is adaptable to existing and new manufacturing equipment. Harting's push-pull IP20 Industrial Type-C and Industrial Inline Cable Jack connectors offer high-density flexibility, which provides greater clearances and hassle-free handling, installation, and disconnection. This IX Industrial connector portfolio delivers a Cat6a performance with data rates up to 10 gigabits per second and EA transmission up to 500 megahertz. Harting IX push-pull IP20 connectors incorporate an overmolded cable outlet for improved bend protection, cable tension, and strain resistance. The push-pull mechanism design allows easier handling, fast connection and disconnection, and instant feedback of proper alignment. Harting IX Industrial Type-C connectors enable high-speed Ethernet with Cat6a Class EA transmission up to 500 MHz and data rates up to 10 gigabits. The Type-C connector's robust engineering improves reliability in an IP20-rated high-density design with 360-degree EMI shielding protection and a 5,000 mating cycle rating. The Harting IX Industrial Inline Cable Jack allows high versatility with Type A for Ethernet and Type B for signal and serial bus system applications. The high-density miniature stepped cover design accommodates panel thicknesses of 1.5 to 2.0 millimeters. Learn more at Heilind.com.